This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You will start by ensuring compatibility and a current backup. That protects you if you roll back. Next, sign into the Apple Beta software program with your Apple ID, accept the agreement, and install the developer or public beta profile depending on your access. Once done, open Settings, tap General, then VPN and Device Management to enable the profile. Make sure your iPad is on Wi-Fi and has over 50% battery or is plugged in before moving to the update. Once the beta profile is active, navigate to Settings, General Software Update to fetch iPad OS 26 Beta 5. Tap Download and install and accept any prompts. The device will download the package and prepare the update. Make sure the iPad stays on Wi-Fi and remains unlocked during preparation. This prevents interruption. If the update stalls, check storage. Freeing 6 to 8 gigabytes often resolves failures. If it begins installing, allow several minutes and avoid force restarting unless it's completely stuck. After the iPad restarts, follow the on-screen setup steps, grant permissions, and update apps for compatibility. Once satisfied, review settings and enable features you need. If the install fails or the device is stuck in a loop, try rebooting, remove and reinstall the beta profile, then retry downloading. If problems persist, restore from your Finder or iCloud backup to return to stable software. Always file issues in Feedback Assistant so Apple can address bugs, and keep a recent backup before major changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.